Today I'm going to show you how I make these wired hairbands that I sell in my Etsy shop. Hello, I'm Popchyk, I'm a cartoonist and I'm currently a tattoo apprentice, but on a side hustle I run an Etsy shop called Ghastly Gorgeous Gifts. I sell handmade greeting cards, voodoo dolls, candles, fine art prints and hair accessories. And today I'm going to show you how I make this wired hairband, retro rosy wrap, which are very, very popular, especially during the summertime. It's very easy and it really shouldn't take you too long. So let's get to it. By the way, please hit that subscribe button. It just really helps my channel grow. So the things you're going to need is a rotary cutter, pliers, a fabric ruler, 18 gauge 1mm craft wire, scissors, measuring tape, sewing machine and thread, an iron, and of course your fabric. And I love this fabric. So first I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to cut it 35 inches long by 6 inches wide. Lay it out flat with the pattern facing upwards, then fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure to line the edges up. Then fold in half again, line the edges up. Now what you want to do, you want to cut the ends at a 45-degree angle. And the way I do this is to fold it down to make a crease. Then I just cut along that line. On the opposite side, measure 2 inches from the fold and you want to cut a little notch through all them layers. Now what you want to do in this corner, cut a very teeny tiny hole. See that? So open up the fabric and place pins at those notches and at the ends. This just keeps the fabric together. Once at the sewing machine, begin at the bottom notch. Remember to back tack. You want to sew a 6mm seam allowance. Just keep going, stop at the corners, put the needle down, lift up the foot and turn the fabric. Continue sewing all along this folded line until you reach the other notch. Remember to back tack here just to lock in them stitches. Tidy up all the loose cotton. Now trim the corners with your scissors. You want to kind of round them out. Be careful not to cut into the stitch line. Now from the opening, turn the fabric inside out. I like to use a knitting needle just to make sure those corners are all popped out. I like to iron it just so it's extra neat. Make sure you get it all nice and lined up. So now lay out your fabric, grab your craft wire and line it up next to it. I like to go a little bit over the fabric. Now you want to cut it with your pliers and then bend both ends round. Now reach in through the opening and find that little hole you cut. Take the wire and slowly start to feed it through. This can be a little bit fiddly, but have some patience and just make sure you get that wire fed through the channel. Straighten the wire. Now to sew up the opening. Here I like to add my brand tag, but if you don't have one, just skip this step. So I take my little tag and I fold it in half. Place it in the middle of the opening and then stitch the opening closed. Make sure to back tack at the beginning and the end of the stitch. And there you have it. Wear it as you like. Tie the ends up for that rockabilly look. It'll look brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck making your own. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll make a scrunchie that I sell in my Etsy shop too. Till next time, take care.